Hello, welcome to Beginners. In Beginners this week we did a double time basic, we did a transition step, and then we did cross breaks and a tuck turn. It went like this. This was the gather step that we did for our double time basic. Then we did a transition step, we did our cross breaks, then we did a tuck turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll show the whole thing again with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That's what we did in Beginners this week. Hello again and welcome to Improvers. This week in Improvers we followed on from what we did in the first class, which was the transition into the out and in. In the first class we did cross breaks. What we did now, we rotated the out and in, and we showed you the outside turn and the way that it's subtly different from the tuck turn. So we did it like this, same basic. Shoot, shoot, tap, shoot, tap, and a transition. Shoot, shoot, tap, but then we rotate. Shoot, tap, as the lead steps open, the follower crosses. We did a few of these rotational. Then what we did was the outside turn. We did the outside turn like this. We went 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We say that again. Shoot, tap. Transition step. Shoot, tap. Then we rotate. Tap. Then we do the outside turn. Tap. Just 1 point about the outside turn. When we do the outside turn, we're in this position. We don't stir the lead around. We rotate her with this. And as we do the turn, she goes there. I go there. This hand is just for stability. That's how we do the outside turn. After we've done that, we got you guys to mix it up. You mixed up the cross breaks, then you did the rotating out and in. We got you to do the tuck turn, and we got you to do the outside turn. And finally, what we did, we showed you a little variation on the tuck turn, went like this. Transition step, you do the tuck, then you do the Gaia patching, yeah, That's what we did this week in Improvers. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.